Township Business.
My name is Abigail Mbalo, founder and creative director of Forum Ekasi Culture. The concept Forum Ekasi Culture started in 2014 when I took part on MasterChef South Africa. I had to ask myself, what purpose will I serve in this competition? And that was, I would use food as a tool to make a difference. Forum's intent is for one to actually be immersed in our culture. When you get to the township, there's a mixture of different cultures. So that's what we serve on a plate. And we call it a feast. I'm a dental technologist by profession. And for me, that was my ticket out of the hood. I didn't realize that I was actually depriving the very same economy I came from. And that's when the whole drive came from, that I would move back. Open a restaurant that one would ideally have open in the winelands or the city, but let's have it in the township. Let's attract tourism to the township space. Let's help build the economy of our townships. So that was my drive.
My name is Sivumongo. I'm the managing director of Ziyahlanjwa Laundry Services. I started this business in 2010 in my lounge at home with one washing machine and one tumble dryer. Ziyahlanjwa Laundry Services is offering laundry services and dry cleaning services. I'm washing for the trains that are going out of Cape Town, and also washing for DBS Marine for the ships that are going out of South Africa. Till now, there is a growth in profit, there is a growth in sales, there is a growth also in customers. Up until now that we are employing 18 staff members permanently and 2 on casual basis. That means the Ziyahlanjwa Trading CC is paying salaries on 21 families. I'm happy because now there are people who are getting living from, which I didn't know that from dusty streets of Khayelitsha there can be someone who can earn a living from my business.